Good evening, friends. We are back today after a very long time. Quickly want to tell Dr. Rina that I'm live, so she can join me once again. A brief about myself and what we do. So my name is Nupur Dwivedi Pandey. I am the director of Facilitating Excellence. I'm an HR expert, coach, and at Facilitating Excellence, what we do is we try and build a world which is connected and where people can coexist creatively by maximizing yeah like it yes. uh, by maximizing personal wellness, and that is where today's program is very relevant, where we have Dr. Gupta today. Hi Dr. Gupta, we are waiting for more people to join in. अभी जब हम लोग ऐसे
Yes.
आए तो फिर लगातार अचानक से 3-4 लोग आ गए टेस्ट रन के लिए, and now we are waiting कि लोग आए. But then as people are joining in, let me tell you, this is a 6-week series, so it will continue till August 27th. And we'll be talking, and since the time I have started circulating, I've been getting questions. I had no idea. Uh, Rushnex says, hi, awesomeness Ridha. So you have a huge fan following.
This is a school friend.
Yes. So you see the way that we met also is pretty dynamic, because you actually were teaching sadhana to my son. That's how we met. So it was beautiful, and that's where. But then with diabetes also, uh, uh, the minute I've circulated the posters and so many questions have started coming. I think somebody also called me, and then she's connected with you, and because she wants to know more about it, and then questions have started coming to me, and which I will be incorporating about how diabetes works. So there's so many questions that people do not know, and do not know how to ask and who to ask. So I wasn't aware, though. Those It is something that we all know, but with COVID, it has taken a very different kind of अभी जब हम लोग कोमॉर्बिडिटीज की इतनी बातें कर रहे हैं तो एक अलग ही डर बैठ गया है सबके मन में. So I think what we're going to do is I'm going to start asking questions. Today's session is all about just knowing more about diabetes. What is diabetes all about? A basic information, and then उसको हम डिटेल में बाकी आने वाले सेशंस में समझेंगे. So starting with my first question is Dr. Gupta, is what exactly is diabetes? मतलब होता क्या है, क्या होना चाहिए, ब्लड शुगर क्या होता है, what is exactly how, कितना होना चाहिए, तो होता क्या है डायबिटीज? वेरी बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन ले पर्सन पर्सपेक्टिव से.
Okay. तो देखा जाए, so the food that we eat, जो हम खाना खाते हैं, it is grossly, all of us know, because we are living in a world where we are bombarded with a lot of how to be healthy information, है ना? हम सबको ही पता है, प्रोटीन है, फैट है, कार्बोहाइड्रेट है. So this is how it is all divided. And I would say, unluckily for us, हमारा जो basic meal है, Indian basic diet, we have pros and cons. We also have a very healthy part of diet, which we will be discussing definitely. But जो हम normally what we shift to very easily is the unhealthy part of the Indian diet, which is very rich in carbohydrate. अब carbohydrate क्या है? Carbohydrate that it is that element which is supposed to provide us energy, है ना? वो storage form में use होता है, वो basic energy के लिए हमारे पास use होता है. That is why they say ना, अगर मुझे चक्कर आ रहा है, अरे मैंने कुछ खाया नहीं तो मुझे चक्कर आ गया. It's a very common thing. Oh, I fasted, इतना ज्यादा फास्ट किया, इतनी weakness हो गई, घबराहट हो गई. So why is that happening? That is because the food, the source of energy, we're not getting that source of energy. तो जब हम अपनी body को, okay, now this is the part about food. जब हम अपनी बॉडी को एक हेल्दी डाइट दे रहे हैं, वी आर गिविंग गुड अमाउंट वट एवर इज नीडेड ऑफ प्रोटीन, फैट्स भी जरूरी है, सो वी आर गिविंग फैट्स एंड वी आर गिविंग गुड अमाउंट ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट. But what happens when we give it too much carbohydrate, which has very easily happened in the lockdown? अब देखा जाए तो it's nearly been 2 years of us, all of us being in that social distance and lockdown on and off. तो अब वो कार्बोहाइड्रेट हम ज्यादा खा रहे हैं. आज बरसात है, it's raining, let's have pakoras, right? That fried stuff is so trending. Okay, if nothing, आज Sunday छोले भटूरे तो बनते हैं. It is my birthright to have that chola bhatura. So okay, binge on that. So ultimately we are accumulating a lot of all this stuff. Now
anything oily.
This is the food part. Yeah, anything oily, anything which you also know is heavy. Rajma chawal, rajma, the chola. If you ask your own self ना, तुम्हारे self को most of the answer yourself knows. कि यार मैंने क्या heavy खाया है, क्या unhealthy खाया है. Now this combined with the genetics that we have got. What is genetics? My parents, my grandparents, my great grandparents, उन सबका ही DNA is running in me also. It is the same genes, the same genetic makeup that I have. Now I'll talk about myself. Okay, so my father had a very strong history of diabetes. My mother does not have diabetes, but mother's side people have. मतलब मेरे मामा, my mamas will have diabetes. They have diabetes. Now, जब मैं बात कर रही हूँ, तो all of you please think about your own family scenario. You will be tracing some people from your mother's side and some people from your father's side who will be carrying that sugar. Diabetes है उनको, हम सबको पता है, मामा जी को diabetes है, बुआ को diabetes है, right? Okay, maybe your own parents don't have diabetes till now.
Correct.
ठीक है? Only their brother and sister have diabetes. Okay, now another idea comes to me. हाँ, नानी को भी तो था diabetes. And also another thing, my grandfather also, I think, slightly थे. So if you trace that family, history, the family tree, you ultimately become a third generation of diabetic. Third generation carrying that same gene. And that puts all of us, you and me and nearly the same age group is 35 plus. Zyadatar all of us are, 35 plus, whatever, the third generation. And that combined with the lockdown has made us highly inflammable, highly susceptible to explosion called diabetes.
Oh.
Now, how does the genetic makeup affect me? ठीक है, मैं बहुत अच्छा lifestyle manage कर रही हूँ, right? We are all managing. Suppose I can say that about myself. Maybe there are a lot of other people out here who say, I can say this for me, that भाई मैं तो बहुत अच्छा lifestyle follow कर रहा हूँ. I go for my workout. I'm not taking extra sugar. I'm doing everything that should be done. Right? So you are that group. ऐसे लोग भी हैं, क्यों नहीं? They are there. Now, but what happens is they start feeling uncomfortable. थोड़ा सा कुछ lockdown के phase में they start feeling कि यार चीजें ठीक नहीं चल रही हैं मेरे ख्याल से. I'm not feeling that energetic. I'm not that feeling that good right now. Let me get my sugar checked. आप शुगर चेक कराते हो और आपका फास्टिंग खाली पेट इट कम्स टू 120 या 130. नॉर्मल रेंज 110 के नीचे, हम ग्रोसरी कहते हैं 110 के नीचे है तो ठीक है. खाना खाने के बाद आपने चेक किया 2 घंटे के बाद, अगर 170 to 180 आ रहा है, चलो ओके है, ठीक है, तुम्हारा ठीक है. अब वो वैल्यू आता है तो आपका 200. बट व्हाट हैपेंस, आई हैव बीन मैनेजिंग अ गुड डाइट, I've been losing my weight, I've been doing everything. So why am I going towards diabetes? In these people, genetics has played a major role. Genetics is more responsible for the diabetes. But हाँ, वो genetics क्या हुआ? वो maybe the same thing would have happened after 7 years. It has been pushed forward because of the sedentary lifestyle we were forced to take.
अच्छा. So this is what lockdown has done for us.
दो चीजों का बहुत ज्यादा important role है. एक है the diet and second is the genetics. Now, if all of you who are there in this talk, any of you has that family line or that history of diabetes, and luckily you still do not have that diabetes, अभी आपकी शुगर अच्छी चल रही है, you have to really take care. You have to take a lot of care कि भाई मेरे अंदर एक बॉम्ब है जो फट सकता है कभी भी. Like for me, I've been really working hard on myself, from these past 2 to 3 years because I know कि बड़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग फैमिली हिस्ट्री है, तो यू हैव टू टेक अ कॉल फॉर योर सेल्फ एट दिस पॉइंट. कोई एक्सक्यूजेस नहीं है, देयर आर नो एक्सक्यूजेस फॉर सेइंग दैट यार मेरी तो नींद ही पूरी नहीं होती, या saying that what will happen to the Netflix and the Prime videos that I am binging on. Your health. When my patient comes to me, I tell them very clearly, मेरे पास कोई जादू की छड़ी नहीं है. I don't have a magical wand. What I am going to do, I am going to write medicine. I am going to guide you about what to eat, what not to eat. But 70% of the work will be done by you. And that
Dr. Gupta, Anu here says, I am obese. I think this is my question as well. So sometimes people come and say that even though they are following a good diet and maybe some kind of exercise, but there is a category which is an additional thing, obesity. अब इसमें genetics भी अगर add हो गया होगा, God forbid, तो अब क्या? Now they're sitting on a time bomb here, like you said. So now what can they do?
Okay, I'll tell you from personal experience. I have been endowed with those kind of genes जहाँ पे weight loss could never ever happen. I thought so. 3 months back, I thought so. But trust me on this. If you go to a sensible dietitian does not mean an expensive dietitian. पहली बात. ये आपका homework है. We are going to carry on this series. And Nupur, I think the whole idea of the series is कि आज हम जो discuss कर रहे हैं, they follow it. And if they think कि भाई नहीं हो पा रहा, next series they can obviously ask questions, ना?
बिल्कुल.
तो मेरा suggestion है ना, मेरा suggestion for all the people who think that they are obese and they have done everything till now, but वो weight lose नहीं हो रहा. Please ask yourself. अपने आप को, किसी और को आंसर नहीं करना. It doesn't work that way. आप अपने आप को जरा ये पूछो, मैंने 100% ट्राई किया है क्या? 5 दिन डाइट करके 6th डे मैंने कहीं बिंज ईटिंग तो नहीं करी है क्या? मैंने कुछ एकदम गिवन टू द टेम्पटेशन. हैव आई एक्चुअली डन इट? See, it's a whole circle. It's a whole cycle of diet, exercise, sleeping right, sugar checking.
Very important. Diet. Just want to write it down somewhere because I'm going to circulate. Diet,
एक ना ये साइकिल है, जैसे कहते हैं जैसे घड़ी है ना, like it has all the needles how they go, but so this is how your needle has to work if you really want to keep away from a doctor.
Absolutely. And this is something I take away for myself as well. So yes, bilkul. I hope to see changes in myself over the next 6 weeks for this. So
and they could, I think the first thing that has to come in the change is writing down the journal. ये सब कुछ ना मैं practical से बता रही हूँ. There are no theories in what I'm sharing with you right now. Only my clinical practical tips. They're not in any Google or books or whatever. This is what I have learned in my own journey as a doctor who's prescribing medicines, as somebody who's working very hard on her own self, and seeing people who are saying that they are doing 100%, पर उनको एक बार एक wake-up call देकर I have seen the result on my own patients and on my own self. So diet का आप अगर write कर लो कहीं, if you do the calorie counting, it might sound like a very fancy idea, बहुत बड़ी चीज है, कौन लोग करते हैं, क्या होता है. It is not like that. We are all using Google. We are all on the internet 24/7. थोड़ा useful चीजें भी कर सकते हैं.
Correct.
आज हमने जो ब्रेकफास्ट में खाया उसको गूगल करोगे तुम्हारी कैलोरी मिल जाएगी आज की. तुमने लंच में क्या खाया एक दिन करके देखो. Just do it one day for yourself. You will understand what I'm saying. And if somehow you can calculate how much of that have you spent actually. तुमने कमाई कितनी और तुमने खाई कितनी.
So what is the ideal calorie intake in that ways? अगर हम लोग करें तो मैंने कहीं पढ़ा था कि 1200 होना चाहिए. ऐसा कुछ होता है क्या? ये बॉडी टू बॉडी डिफरेंट होता है.
बिल्कुल. ये 1200 is very very theoretical. That is why they also say one single diet doesn't work for anybody. The same diet might work for you, might not work for me.
Exactly.
Because the food, how it works for anybody depends a lot again on the genetic makeup and lot of those things. And no diet is made for everybody. ऐसा है ही नहीं. Requirements are totally different, but हाँ 1200 मोटा मान के 1200 मान के, and then again you divide into protein and carbohydrate and fats. So for people who are beginners, my simple suggestion is you can go to a good dietitian,
That is ideal.
but not a very fancy dietitian. We don't need you to get a package of 12,000 or 15,000 to lose weight. नहीं, simple बंदा जो result देता हो. You will have your friends in the friend circle में लोग हैं who have lost weight, who are looking really healthy. Approach them, talk to them, reach out to people, ask them why are they looking so fit. There is no problem, just ask them.
Another thing that one of the questions one of my friends actually asked me was कि कई बार हमको बोला जाता है कि फ्रूट्स में भी शुगर कंटेंट, एक बार अगर किसी का हाई हो जाए तो उसको फ्रूट्स भी नहीं खाना चाहिए. सम ऑफ द फ्रूट्स शुड बी अवॉइडेड. सो व्हाट इज इट ट्रू, इज इट नॉट, लाइक व्हाट इज इट अबाउट दैट?
Definitely true, because fruit जो होता है that has a source of sugar inside it, fructose. तो जो फ्रूट हम लेते हैं तो वो दो टाइप का फ्रूट होगा. एक होगा जो आपकी बॉडी के अंदर इट विल इन्फ्यूज दैट शुगर स्लोली, यू नो दैट फ्रक्टोज, वो अब्जॉर्ब होगा, वो धीरे धीरे अंदर जाएगा, सो दे विल नॉट इंक्रीज योर शुगर. बट एक फ्रूट होगा वो एकदम से आपकी शुगर एकदम अब्जॉर्ब हो जाएगा और शुगर एकदम रेज कर देगा.
तो विच आर दोस
मैंगो,
जिनका नहीं हो?
let's compare mango and apple.
Okay.
Mango is like, you know, like if a patient comes to me with normal ranges of 160 खाना खाने के बाद, if they had mango, they will come to me with 220 sugar
immediately. Wow.
2 hours, 2 घंटे बाद.
हाँ वही, मतलब तो इतना इमीडिएट रेज हो जाता है.
इतना इमीडिएट हो भी सकता है, इतना इमीडिएट हो भी सकता है. अगेन दैट गोज अ लॉट, you know, to your own body type. This is what I am seeing in a lot of my patients, because वो mango season है ना, so I've had a lot of those mango experiences, I would say.
What about watermelon? Someone says
watermelon is a good fruit. It's a good fruit for 90% of my patients.
Okay.
90% कह रही हूँ.
Okay.
Not 100%, 90%.
Why not?
90% will come with a good control. अच्छा रहेगा. They were losing weight also. They are having watermelon. अच्छा है. But that 10% will again come to me and tell me, अरे अभी तो खाया था, ये देखो 230 हो गया शुगर, 240 हो गया शुगर.
अच्छा.
So what I would suggest is, आप अगर कुछ भी ट्राई कर रहे हो and you are a diabetic on a medication, आप diabetic हो on medication, you can immediately, you know, monitor your sugar 2 घंटे बाद. और आपको लगता है कि ये तो बढ़ गई, that means that food is not suiting you, so don't have.
Okay. So now I would probably go on a step back, क्योंकि अब जैसे देखिए I am not diabetic, ठीक है, and frankly I do not even know कि कई बार पता भी नहीं चलता है कि symptoms क्या है. So how does one know, you know, कि इसको शुगर, मुझे शुगर हो सकता है, ठीक है, I am in that frame कि हो सकता है, I have that genetic makeup as well. But normally I would probably, if मैंने कहीं पढ़ा था while doing the research, fatigue तो बहुत कुछ हो सकता है. तो that's my question to you.
Okay. तो देखो, the common symptoms which we see जिसकी वजह से patient get themselves tested is definitely fatigue is the main one आजकल. थकान ज्यादा हो रही थी, we got ourselves checked. Urine. If you have to get up even from deep sleep to go to the washroom, deep sleep में उठ के जाना पड़ रहा है, please get yourself checked for sugar. Third, आपकी बॉडी में कोई चोट लगी है, कोई घाव लगा है ना, any wound has happened but it is not healing, वो ठीक नहीं हो रहा है, please get your sugar checked. Fourth, जल्दी, बहुत जल्दी वेट लॉस हो रहा है, नहीं मुझे भूख तो अच्छी लग रही है पर वजन पता नहीं क्यों कम हो रहा है, get your sugars checked.
Are there anomalies also like that कि ऐसे में मतलब ये नहीं भी हो रहा है तब भी शुगर हो सकता है?
हाँ, आजकल in the COVID era तो definitely कुछ भी हो रहा है. I mean, we are seeing a lot of patients जो, you know, they come in the clinic. In fact, last week I had this camp in a hospital. So मतलब बराबर वाली टेबल में was when they were getting sugar checked, and my table is when they were getting foot examined. So they would come to me and they would tell me, ऐसे तो शुगर कितने साल से है? They would tell me अभी टेस्ट हुआ है, अभी पता लगा है.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
That's
so it is happening, but मतलब I think वो बहुत कम है. They have been ignoring some signs. Then they will dig in, the wife will say maybe weight loss तो हो रहा था. So I have basically told you basic things to watch out for weight loss. अगर यूरिन ज्यादा है, आपको लग रहा है कि आपको इन्फेक्शन बहुत जल्दी जल्दी हो रहे हैं, कभी कॉमन कोल्ड होता है, कभी लूज मोशन हो जाता है, कभी कॉन्स्टिपेशन हो जाता है, you kind of know something is wrong in your body. तो ये सब चीजें फिर एक बार करा लो आप.
Two questions here. The one was about fruits, which was about what is the right time. Can one take fruits empty stomach? Was Vaibhav's question, and the next question is Yamini's, which is she's asking that she's not been sleeping well. I think something to do with lack of sleep. So what can she do? So I think we'll take first Vaibhav's question about fruit, empty stomach.
हाँ वैभव, we can take fruits on empty stomach. It's not a problem. प्रॉब्लम तब आएगी जब वो ज्यादा सिट्रिक होंगे, तो ज्यादा खट्टा फ्रूट्स, they might cause acidity. Acidity, otherwise there are no issues with taking fruits whenever you want. Like banana आप empty stomach ही लेते हो वर्कआउट से पहले, that has no problem. But वो जहाँ तुमने खट्टा मैंगो ले लिया, then acidity हो जाएगी. That is the only thing. Okay, now Yamin right?
Right.
So the thing is, I think we need to handle that the mental health thing that we're discussing issues. क्योंकि I understand कि ये main concerns आजकल हो रही हैं, but as they say, because I'm also art of living teacher and I tell people all this also कि instead of focusing on what can go wrong, let's focus on what is going right and be grateful and move ahead. We keep doing the good thing for ourselves. We're taking care of ourselves, but इसका कोई मतलब थोड़ी ना है, कुछ result कुछ guaranteed थोड़ी ना है. We're doing it, but हम ये सोच के कर रहे हैं यार ये मेरे हाथ में, इसको तो करना ही है. Like for you took the effort to join in the talk, you took the effort to type in a question. That is so nice. You want to do something for yourself. बस ये याद रख के result की tension नहीं लेनी है, खत्म.
So her question is also about can lack of sleep lead to diabetes? Can that stress level lead to diabetes?
Yes, definitely. One of the very important precipitating cause. Understand when I say precipitating cause, आपके अंदर potential है, आपकी genes है, आपका weight ठीक नहीं है, आपकी diet habit ठीक नहीं है, ऊपर से आपने stress ले लिया and you're not sleeping. So all that whole stuff was inside you and it got precipitated because of your stress levels. Tension लेकर कभी कुछ नहीं होता है. You have to make that effort. You have to go for changes. कभी ये नहीं सोचना it is too late to start now. No, tomorrow is a new day. And it's a weekend. It's a good day to start. As whoever is attending this talk, I would tell you, weekend this time is not for sleeping more or not for binge watching. It is for getting up early, getting a new lifestyle. उसमें थोड़ा हो सकता है कुछ लोगों को हेडेक होगा तो ठीक है ना, सैटरडे है, छुट्टी है, नई लाइफस्टाइल नई चीज शुरू करने के लिए इट्स द बेस्ट टाइम टू डू इट.
Very nice. Teja is asking, are we going to discuss about what can a person do to manage the condition?
Yes, you can manage the condition by visiting your diabetes specialist. I'm one of them. So lifestyle changes we are talking about. Obviously, दवाइयाँ your doctor will manage for you, है ना? So that is a whole package. It's like we are here to. I am here because I really wanted to share with everybody. And Nupur ने इतना अच्छा मुझे response दिया. She really immediately when I told her कि let's do this, तो इसका इतना अच्छा response था कि we all so many people have so many questions. तो एक practical approach हम कर रहे हैं, है ना? Together, Nupur and me are trying to make this whole journey easy for you. But वो जो final management of a diabetic होगा, वो a diabetologist will only be doing. I'm also one of them. We can manage you, but ऐसे नहीं कि भाई बहुत सारे पेशेंट आते हैं ना, ये दवाई क्यों बंद कर दी, वो जी हमने वो टॉक सुनी, उसने कहा कि बंद कर दो, तो हमने बंद कर दी.
ये प्लेंटी मतलब एक हो जाता है ना, इंफॉर्मेशन जब एक्स्ट्रा अवेलेबल होती है तो लोगों को तो आइडियल अप्रोच इज कि आप अगर ये यहाँ से हम सुने And then if you have questions, consult your doctor, consult Dr. Gupta. She will guide you better. अगर आप यहाँ पे नहीं available है, you can go wherever. But ideally, go through the right channel is what we'll always suggest, rather than becoming your own internet doctors, because that is not something we will encourage. Definitely not. That is not our awareness generation. हमारा purpose है. And then please take the right channel of managing the condition. Do what you can do for yourself. The next question is from Shelputri is, since 2 months back I had back pain, and now all of a sudden it has gotten worse. She's not able to sit for more than half an hour. She's just 22. Okay. Would you like to take this question, Dr. Gupta?
Yes, definitely. Please go visit an orthopedician. Might need an X-ray and an urgent management. इसको ignore नहीं करना है, because spine is something which involves the nerves and everything. So आज शाम को एक orthopedician को दिखाओ. They will guide you further what has to be done.
And Vaibhav have a question, got it, but has been seeing a dietitian. He suggested not to take fruits, sugar, empty stomach, since it consumes a lot of insulin. Therefore, he asked to take it after meals. That is the dietitian's.
I don't know. That's not something I definitely. Personally, I don't agree to this, because there are many times when we as females, Nupur, you would know, we are fasting. अभी शुरू होना है हमारा season fasting का. So sometimes we just live on those fruits. Empty stomach भी रहते हैं. And sometimes diet plan
plus
also has fruit days.
What I think also happens sometimes is the dietitian might have checked some things for Vaibhav in particular. So वो उसको देखकर शायद recommend किया होगा कि भैया ये लेना है, ये नहीं लेना है. So like वो specific body type के हिसाब से भी recommendation जा सकती है when we are not really sure. So I think Vaibhav, generally Dr. Ida was saying that it is okay, because like I have also had people telling me that it's okay to have fruits, and we've also had all the while I've been taking fruits empty stomach, and like body type ke hisab se it's not been very but then it's okay. I mean, what your dietitian said. I used to go for a walk and used to eat apple before leaving. Yes. I think a lot of people recommend apple. Even my gym instructor had said apple before leaving, eating before exercise.
Yes, because they encourage the empty stomach, but don't do that workout. So that is fair. Fair enough.
See, one of the questions that I had in mind was, is diabetes curable? Can it be completely treated?
Okay, so then there is a clear line in this, बहुत clear line है, और इसमें एक बहुत important चीज हमारे लिए एक टेस्ट HbA1c होता है. You guys must have heard about it. HbA1c is that test जो 3 months की average बताता है. I'm a big fan of this test because it doesn't depend on तुमने कल क्या खाया, तुमने रात में क्या खाया, और तुमने परसों क्या खाया. It doesn't depend on that. It's a 3 months, an average that I am getting, and I can easily decide on that कि भाई इस बंदे को मुझे सिर्फ डाइट पे रखकर हम कुछ चेंजेस देख सकते हैं इसमें, या फिर नहीं. whatever he says, but I have to start at least the minimum dose of medicine. ठीक है? Now, once you start, and then you see how the patient progresses. In my experience, Nupur, what I have seen is there are rarely these cases. There are hardly any cases जिनमें sugar totally ठीक होती है. एक minimum dose पर हम छोड़ सकते हैं patient को, and they do really well. People who leave their medicine, कि अब मैं ठीक हूँ, मैंने दवाई छोड़ दी है, they rebound, and they rebound really bad. मतलब फिर उनके लिए हमें एक की जगह 4 गोलियां यूज करनी पड़ती है for a very long time. Okay. So no, it is better to take care of your system when it is intact. Once this whole thing starts, थोड़ा मुश्किल ही रहता है.
The second question which I had from this was I think about diabetes, like I said, कि इसको हमेशा कहा जाता है कि इट्स एन अमीरों की बीमारी, एक कैटेगरी को ही होगा, हमें बाकियों को नहीं हो सकता है. इज दैट ट्रू कि कुछ ही लोगों को होगा, कुछ को नहीं होगा?
Okay, so I've been in practice like for around 10 years, and I really want to share this with you because इतना ज़्यादा, you know, demographic shift I have seen within these 10 years. When I started practice, my patients were mostly 50 plus. 50 plus आते थे. Even when we were residents in Gangaram, हमारे सारे patients above 50 ही आते थे. Then what happened, you know, in I think I would say 2016-17 के time में, what I started gradually seeing, none of my patients is above 40 years.
अच्छा, they got younger.
मतलब ये इतना शिफ्ट आया, शिफ्ट इतना इतना ज्यादा आया कि वो जो 18 के थे, 23 के थे, यू नो, दोज आर द वंस जो डायबिटिक थे और जिनको हमने ज्यादा अग्रेसिवली मैनेज करना पड़ा, जिनको हमें ज्यादा स्टेबल करना पड़ा. एंड most of them might, you know, there is nothing called अमीरों की बीमारी. I have all strata of patients coming to me, all strata. वो बेचारा वो डेली वेज अर्नर भी होगा, वो बिग बिजनेसमैन वाली फैमिली वाला भी होगा. ये उस टाइम की बात है when we were doing MBBS, when we used to read all this. In practice, it is not actually happening. नहीं हो रहा वैसा.
See, Akansha here has a question that my grandma was taking insulin injections from last 14 years. Is there any cure for that?
Is there any cure for that?
Whether can she shift from injection? I don't know. Cure matlab kya? What Akansha here? Would you want to specify as in injection se wo because like Dr. Gupta just said ki probably we'll not really think of curing diabetes, but what is it that you have in mind?
I think she has that the insulin ke beyond ho sakta hai kuch kya, oral medication. Maybe that's what she wants to do. So everybody who's here, see, I practice in my own center, which is by the name of Shantam Diabetes and Medical Center. Google pe hu main. You can find Shantam Diabetes. The question that she has a very specific answer. There are a few tests we conduct to understand if the patient can actually get off insulin, उसको फायदा होगा कि नहीं होगा, दवाइयां शुरू कर सकते हैं कि नहीं. That is very specific for every person. It is, I would say, not about the age anymore. Like,
that's exactly what Akansha is asking. Injections in the Vata. So you're saying that you can, you know, there is a test which is also done in your center, and that will be a way in which people can tell ki how can they make a shift. Here, I want to ask a question about this as कि कई बार मैं देखती हूँ कई लोग इंजेक्शंस लग रहे होते हैं, कई लोग दवाई से ही होते हैं. सो व्हाई इज दैट डिफरेंस? एंड देयर इज समथिंग कॉन्सेप्ट फॉर टाइप 1 एंड टाइप 2. ये क्या होता है? दैट इज, आई थिंक दैट इज व्हाट, मतलब एक थोड़ा ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट डायबिटीज है, दूसरा थोड़ा कम डिफिकल्ट है, ऐसा कुछ है. एक लाइफस्टाइल डायबिटीज है, दूसरा थोड़ा जेनेटिक या कुछ ऐसा डायबिटीज है. मतलब ये मैंने कहीं सुना था बट मुझे पूरी अच्छी तरह पता नहीं है.
Okay, this is a very very nice question and it is like I would say a basic question जिसकी clarity हम सबको definitely होनी चाहिए. You know, this is something which has also changed recently. Type 1, Type 2 के बीच में भी अब बहुत सारी चीजें आ गई हैं, 3-4 चीजें आ गई हैं, because as you guys must have understood, भाई बीमारी has changed the whole thing from age also and you know how it arises, how it ends, सब कुछ बदल गया है थोड़ा. So it mainly depends on your insulin levels. Insulin, आपकी बॉडी में इंसुलिन कितना है एक्चुअली, दैट डिसाइड्स कि आपको बाहर से हमें सपोर्ट करके इंसुलिन देना पड़ेगा एज एन इंसुलिन इंजेक्शंस, या फिर आपकी बॉडी में इंसुलिन है अभी एंड दवाइयों से वी कैन मैनेज द सिचुएशन.
अच्छा, और अगर मैं बहुत ही बेसिक सा सवाल पूछूं कि क्योंकि देखिए साइंस स्टूडेंट तो मैं होती नहीं, तो मुझे आइडिया है ये इंसुलिन करता क्या है बॉडी में, फ्रॉम अ वेरी बेसिक क्वेश्चन. ठीक है कि क्या कर रहा है?
या राइट। तो इंसुलिन जो है ना, इंसुलिन ही इस सारी कहानी का आई वुड से हीरो है, हीरो और विलन। इट इज लाइक अ बाय थिंग, किसी के लिए हीरो है, किसी के लिए विलन है इंसुलिन। सो इंसुलिन बेसिकली क्या वर्क होता है, जब आपकी बॉडी में कार्बोहाइड्रेट आता है, अंदर शरीर में जाता है, इट इज अ ग्लूकोज सर्ज, है ना। जैसे हम कुछ खाते हैं, हमें अच्छा लगता है ना, खाना खा लिया अच्छा लग रहा है, वाई इज इट अच्छा लग रहा है, बिकॉज बॉडी में शुगर सर्ज हुआ है ना। जब शुगर सर्ज होगा तो ब्रेन को मैसेज जाता है, एवरीथिंग इज वेरी हैप्पी एंड वेरी गुड हियर, है ना, अपना सब ठीक है। अब वो शुगर, इंसुलिन को मैसेज मिलता है कि भाई शुगर आ गया है, यू नो, इट्स लाइक अ मैसेंजर कि भाई शुगर आ गया है। अब इंसुलिन विल गेट टू वर्क और वो शुगर को उठा के, जितना जरूरी है सिर्फ उतना ही आपकी बॉडी में रखेगा, बाकी सब उठा के लिवर में स्टोर कर देगा। अब वो स्टोरेज की कब जरूरत पड़ेगी, जब आप रात में सोते हो और आप सुबह उठते हो। नॉर्मली हम सबकी 6 to 8 hours ऑफ फास्टिंग हो जाती है उस टाइम। हाउ डू थिंक योर ब्रेन इज वर्किंग दैट 6 to 8 hours?
एनर्जी।
वो जो स्टोर्ड था ना, जो स्टोर्ड था, उसको कौन यूज करके वापस लेकर आ रहा है?
ओके।
वहां पर भी वो आता है कि अच्छा भाई अब ये लोग सब सो गए हैं, यू नो विल नॉट गेट फूड नाउ, तो लेट अस गेट दैट स्टोर्ड जो एनर्जी है उसको वापस लेकर आओ ब्लड में, वरना ये गिरेगा अभी सब कुछ।
अच्छा अच्छा।
अब ना इमेजिन, इमेजिन अ पर्सन जिसके पास इंसुलिन नहीं है, उसको कोई उठाने वाला नहीं है शुगर को वहां पे, तो वो शुगर कहाँ रहती है? वो ब्लड में रहती है।
See, that makes a lot of things very clear because now we know that what is insulin doing in the blood. Anu is asking what is the name of the tests.
Okay, so it is called C-peptide. C-peptide है. It has a specific significance, and maybe the doctor you reach out to or the person you reach out to will tell you more about that test, because I don't think this platform is there to discuss that medical stuff exactly. C-peptide कहते हैं पर test.
And Dasa also has asked, do you recommend 3 months test for all of us?
If you think that you have those, you know, genetic makeup, you're putting on weight, कोई भी symptoms आ रहे हैं तुमको लेथार्जी लग रही है ज़्यादा, go for it. I mean, what is the big deal? एक माइंड में जो डाउट है वही क्लियर हो जाएगा। मे बी वो बॉर्डर लाइन अपने आप को देखकर you shift to a healthier self.
Correct. That is true. Okay? How often should a person check their blood sugar is what Teja is asking. And with that question, we'll almost kind of wrap it up because we are also coming to an end. So for a diabetic person, so how often should a person check their blood
Again,
sugar?
a question for your doctor. For me, I have followed a different protocol. Like I put them first they come, I put them on the, you know, fasting and PP for 5 days continuous. Then they check back with me, और फिर वो 15 days और वो होता है. But I would say at least 3 बार हफ्ते में तो करो ही करो, खाली पेट and after a major meal, 2 hours after any major meal.
So yeah, that was yes, that should be the norm. So I think that was a very helpful. I still have a lot of questions. I'm gonna re-listen to this, and I'm sure a lot of questions are gonna come back now. And I'm very glad, Dr. Gupta, कि हम लोग ये कर रहे हैं because I can see people need it. डॉक्टर गुप्ता प्लीज आप अपने एक बार क्लिनिक के बारे में फिर से बता सकती हैं so that people can reach out to you, if you can, you know, you can tell people where they can reach out if they want to. So yeah, please.
So I practice in Paschim Vihar, New Delhi, Shantam Diabetes and Medical Center. It's there on Google also. And I'm available for both online and offline consultations. दोनों मैं करती हूँ. And yes, so my phone number is also, I can, you know, share my phone number. So it is 9971317999.
I am just gonna type it over here. 9971317999. Okay. So I will definitely share your link in after the in the discussion panel as well after this. But it was great. Thank you so much for having and coming. And tomorrow, next, we come up, we further come with diabetes and its effect on daily lives. This will be our next session. So now we see, after we've been, or even when before, we've discussed some bit of it, but after we know that, how does it affect our daily life? So this is what our next session is going to be on 30th of July. Please do join us and keep your questions ready. Thank you so much again, Dr. Gupta, for joining in, and
Thank you.
all the
Thank you,
listeners.
Mujib.
It was a lovely discussion.
Yeah, same here. Thank you so much.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's meet next week.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Bye
See you.
bye. Yeah.